really yummy, and of course American food. What we don't have is any Australian food, so I'm wondering if you guys can figure out how to send us up some custard tarts or some lamingtons. Over. Good question. We study so many things, I don't even think I could name them all. But we definitely do a lot of studies of the Earth, and so we're looking at the atmosphere, and we're looking at things on the ground. So if you can think of an atmospheric gas, we're probably studying it. Over. Gosh, we actually do a lot of good recycling of our water up here. It's done in the basic way. We collect it all, we filter it, we put iodine in it to make it potable for us to drink, and then we drink it, and the process starts all over. We're able to reclaim about 75% of our water. Over. It is. I wish that were the case, but no, physics is physics. It's even physics the same as you know up here. Over. Natasha, we have got about 15 countries involved in the ISS. Of course, United States of America, we've got Japan, we've got Canada, Russia, and then there's a collection of countries that make up the European Space Agency. Over. Jackson, I really wish we did. When we come back from the space station, we feel really heavy because we've been living without the effects of gravity for the most part up here. And so when gravity hits you, you feel heavy. Over. Anushka, I do think we do a lot of great science up here that's really helping new discoveries of things that we need on Earth. But I also think one of the important things that we have up here is our working together internationally. Maybe our countries aren't getting along all the time on the ground, but together up here we work very well together, and I think it's a good model of how Earth ought to be. Over. There's so many interesting things up here, but I think what I found the most surprising was when I look outside and how tiny our atmosphere is. It's just this little wispy layer that encircles the globe, and so it really gives us a sense of how much we need to protect our planet. Over. Adesh, so basically we've got the material that it's made out of has got many layers to be able to keep you warm enough when you're outside. The basic features is it's got life support, so it's a little spacecraft, and it's got oxygen for you to breathe, and it's got carbon dioxide scrubbers to take out the carbon dioxide so you can survive in your spacesuit, which is your spacecraft. Over. Space junk is becoming a bigger problem. We don't have to worry about it too much around the space station, but we do have people on the ground that track where space junk is, and if it gets too close to the station, we actually fire up the engines and move the space station out of the way. The station hasn't ever been damaged by space junk, but we have been damaged. Some we can see holes. Floating fluids would be a problem. Over. Natasha, in fact, we can see weather from space. Of course, hurricanes really stand out. Lightning, we can see it's really visible on the night side when it's dark outside. The lightning, we see it all across the globe. It's amazing. Over.